Hi, today I show you why certified pre-owned Porsche electric vehicles with thorough quality checks and solid warranty coverage are a smart option to consider. And we're doing it right here at the Porsche Center, Munich South. Join me as we go from the showroom to the workshop to discover how Porsche ensures highest quality standards even when it comes to pre-owned all-electric vehicles. This Taycan is getting a new owner today. It looks great from the outside, but what about the technology underneath? That's where the 111-point check by Porsche comes in. It's a thorough inspection process based on Porsche's own quality standards to ensure safety and quality. Let's take a look behind the scenes and see how it all works, up close and in detail. Certified pre-owned Porsche vehicles are reconditioned to strict standards and presented in excellent visual condition. But to qualify for the Porsche Approved Warranty, which provides comprehensive coverage, worldwide protection and complete peace of mind, they still need to pass a detailed 111-point check. So what does this process actually involve? It begins with the exterior, where bodywork and paint are closely examined, including checks for any signs of previous damage. This is followed by a detailed vehicle analysis, which includes a full diagnostic scan and verification of the recorded mileage for consistency and accuracy. For the all-electric Taycan, we thoroughly inspect the vehicle's key electric systems. This includes a detailed check of the underbody for damage, particularly around high-voltage components, as well as inspection of the charging system and high-voltage safety features. In addition, the battery cooling system is tested for leaks and correct functionality to ensure long-term performance and thermal stability. These checks make sure that the Taycan meets the performance, safety and reliability standards. In addition to the battery, chassis, brakes and drivetrain, all digital systems are carefully inspected. Safety features, infotainment and comfort functions are tested to ensure everything interacts seamlessly. Once every component has been reviewed, the 111-point check culminates in the most decisive moment, the test drive. Here, safety-related aspects and the signature Porsche driving characteristics are carefully checked and verified. Key aspects such as performance, braking response and handling are closely evaluated. Driver assistance systems are also tested to ensure they offer intuitive support and peace of mind in every driving situation. Only after a vehicle passes Porsche's extensive 111-point inspection and meets all certification criteria does it qualify for the Porsche Approved Warranty, which covers all major components except for wear and tear items. Porsche Approved pre-owned vehicles include a minimum 12-month warranty, providing a comparable level of protection to the new car warranty. If desired, this coverage can be extended right at the time of purchase. Depending on the vehicle's age and mileage, customers can choose a 12, 24 or 36-month extension. In some markets, even a 48-month option is available. And because we believe in our vehicle's lasting quality, warranty coverage can be extended all the way to the 15th year of the car's life. The warranty is valid worldwide and can be used at any authorized Porsche center. And because all service is carried out by Porsche certified technicians using only original parts, your car stays exactly what it was meant to be. A Porsche through and through. It ensures your Porsche stays covered, reliable and for the long run. Now that you know what's included, let's take a look at how to find your Porsche approved vehicle. Just visit the Porsche website, navigate to Shopping Tools, then go to New and Used Inventory. Choose your model, tick the Porsche Approved box and let the Porsche Finder do the rest. You can search by model, mileage or year and quickly find a car what's ready to drive right now. An optional State-of-Health test offers further insights into the current capacity of the high-voltage battery. This test can be performed at any official Porsche center and, if available, is transparently documented in the Porsche Finder. So as you've seen, we pay close attention to every detail. You can experience this firsthand through the Porsche Finder or at your nearest Porsche center, where your next Porsche might already be waiting for you. See you in the next video.